Dr. A.G. MDCAT. Punjab MDCAT 2024 Full Paper. 200 questions Biology, Chemistry, Physics, English and Logical Reasoning. Read the options, answer within 5 seconds. The correct answer turns green. Note the ones you miss to revise. Let us begin. Question 1. Which of the following neurotransmitters is lying outside the central nervous system? Option A. Acetylcholine. Option B. Endorphins. Option C. Gamma-aminobutyric acid. Option D. Dopamine. The correct answer is A. Acetylcholine. Question 2. Depolarization during conduction of nerve impulse is due to Option A. Inward movement of Na+. Option B. Inward movement of K+. Option C. Outward movement of K+. Option D. Outward movement of Na+. The correct answer is A. Inward movement of Na+. Question 3. Which of the following is not a feature of the autonomic nervous system? Option A. Regulate response of visceral organs. Option B. Regulate response of skeletal muscles. Option C. Regulate response of glands. Option D. Regulate response of smooth muscles. The correct answer is B. Regulate response of skeletal muscles. Question 4. Taste receptor is an example of Option A. Mechanoreceptors. Option B. Nociceptors. Option C. Photoreceptors. Option D. Chemoreceptors. The correct answer is D. Chemoreceptors. Question 5. Mesosomes are the invaginations of which bacterial cell structure? Option A. Cell wall. Option B. Cell membrane. Option C. Plasmid. Option D. Cysts. The correct answer is B. Cell membrane. Question 6. Which of the following belongs to chordates? Option A. Spider. Option B. Earthworm. Option C. Trout fish. Option D. Starfish. The correct answer is C. Trout fish. Question 7. What is true about enzymes? Option A. Fibrous proteins. Option B. No effect on end product. Option C. Consumed in reaction. Option D. Non-specific. The correct answer is B. No effect on end product. Question 8. Induced fit model of enzyme activity suggests that enzyme Option A. Cannot modify its active sites. Option B. Can bind to a single substrate. Option C. Can catalyze related reaction. Option D. Usually belongs to non-regulatory enzyme. The correct answer is C. Can catalyze related reaction. Question 9. Female reproductive system consists all of the following except Option A. Ovaries. Option B. Oviduct. Option C. Cervix. Option D. Seminiferous tubules. The correct answer is D. Seminiferous tubules. Question 10. Chromosomal abnormality in Turner syndrome is represented by Option A. XXX. Option B. XYY. Option C, XO. Option D, XXY. The correct answer is C, XO. Question 11. Which one of the following hormones is responsible for the labor pains in a human female at the time of the birth of a baby? Option A, estrogen. Option B, progesterone. Option C, oxytocin. Option D, corticosteroid. The correct answer is C, oxytocin. Question 12. The change in frequency of alleles at a locus that occurs by chance is known as. Option A, mutation. Option B, genetic drift. Option C, non-random mating. Option D, speciation. The correct answer is B, genetic drift. Question 13. Fluid secreted by Sertoli cells provides a liquid medium, protection, and nourishment to. Option A, oocyte. Option B, sperms. Option C, polar body. Option D, spermatogonia. The correct answer is B, sperms. Question 14. Identify the correct pair of vestigial organs. Option A, ear muscles and vermiform appendix. Option B, heart and liver. Option C, ear muscles and liver. Option D, vermiform appendix and heart. The correct answer is A, ear muscles and vermiform appendix. Question 15. Which of the following increases genetic variation the most? Option A, cloning. Option B, self-pollination. Option C, crossing over. Option D, asexual reproduction. The correct answer is C, crossing over. Question 16. Corpus luteum during female reproductive cycle produces. Option A, testosterone. Option B, follicle-stimulating hormone. Option C, luteinizing hormone. Option D, progesterone. The correct answer is D, progesterone. Question 17. Which of the following statements about natural selection is not true? Option A, it affects variations that are heritable. Option B, it is selected by a breeder. Option C, it can improve the adaptation of species. Option D, it is regional in nature. The correct answer is B, it is selected by a breeder. Question 18. The formula calculating the frequency of genotypes and alleles in a population gene pool is known as. Option A, Hardy-Weinberg equation. Option B, Lamarck equation. Option C, Darwin equation. Option D, James-Hutton equation. The correct answer is A, Hardy-Weinberg equation. Question 19. Due to the process of follicle atresia. Option A, follicles reach maximum size. Option B, follicle degenerates. Option C, Graafian follicle ovulates. Option D, the follicle starts to mature. The correct answer is B, follicle degenerates. Question 20. The idea of inheritance of acquired characteristics was presented by. Option A, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Option B, Charles Darwin. Option C. Thomas Malthus. Option D. Alfred Wallace. The correct answer is A. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Question 21. Main function of the epididymis is to: Option A. Transport sperms. Option B. Connect with urethra. Option C. Produce semen. Option D. Hold the process of spermatogenesis. The correct answer is A. Transport sperms. Question 22. According to endosymbiosis theory, flagella may have been derived by the ingestion of prokaryotes similar to: Option A. Amoeboid prokaryote. Option B. Aerobic bacterium. Option C. Spirochete. Option D. Spirillum. The correct answer is C. Spirochete. Question 23. Immediate next stage of spermatogonia differentiation is: Option A. Secondary spermatocyte. Option B. Spermatids. Option C. Primary spermatocytes. Option D. Sperms. The correct answer is C. Primary spermatocytes. Question 24. Insulin converts glucose into: Option A. Vitamins. Option B. Minerals. Option C. Lipids. Option D. Cortisone. The correct answer is C. Lipids. Question 25. Which of the following is included in paired cranial bones? Option A. Temporal. Option B. Occipital. Option C. Frontal. Option D. Vomer. The correct answer is A. Temporal. Question 26. About 70% of the carbon dioxide is carried in blood as: Option A. Carbonate. Option B. Bicarbonate. Option C. Tricarbonate. Option D. Carbonic anhydrase. The correct answer is B. Bicarbonate. Question 27. Which of the following skeletal disorders is an example of an autoimmune disorder? Option A. Sciatica. Option B. Spondylosis. Option C. Rheumatoid arthritis. Option D. Rickets. The correct answer is C. Rheumatoid arthritis. Question 28. Range of normal total lung capacity in humans is: Option A. 5-6 liter. Option B. 8-9 liter. Option C. 10 to 11 liter. Option D. 12 to 13 liter. The correct answer is A. 5-6 liter. Question 29. Which feature is possessed by smooth muscles? Option A. Voluntary. Option B. Branched. Option C. Unenucleate. Option D. Striated appearance. The correct answer is C. Unenucleate. Question 30. Respiration in Pseudomonas bacteria is: Option A. Aerobic. Option B. Anaerobic. Option C. Facultative. Option D. Microaerophil. The correct answer is A. Aerobic. Question 31. The accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles results in: Option A, extreme fatigue. Option B, muscle contraction. Option C, paralysis. Option D, convulsion. The correct answer is A, extreme fatigue. Question 32. Autotrophic mode of nutrition in an organism depends upon. Option A, saprotrophic mode. Option B, parasitic mode. Option C, photosynthesis mode. Option D, obligate mode. The correct answer is C, photosynthesis mode. Question 33. Thick filaments in skeletal muscles are composed of. Option A, actin. Option B, myosin. Option C, tropomyosin. Option D, troponin. The correct answer is B, myosin. Question 34. Prokaryotic cells lack. Option A, mesosomes. Option B, ribosomes. Option C, storage bodies. Option D, membrane-bound organelles. The correct answer is D, membrane-bound organelles. Question 35. Bacterial genome becomes diploid. Option A, after fertilization of gametes. Option B, before spore formation. Option C, during binary fission. Option D, after binary fission. The correct answer is C, during binary fission. Question 36. In the journey of electrons from photosystem to photosystem, I-plastocyanin is reduced by. Option A, plastoquinone. Option B, cytochrome complex. Option C, P700. Option D, primary electron acceptor of PS1. The correct answer is B, cytochrome complex. Question 37. Enzyme NAD reductase is responsible for. Option A, reducing NAD+. Option B, oxidizing NAD+. Option C, reducing ferredoxin. Option D, reducing P700. The correct answer is A, reducing NAD+. Question 38. The PS2, during light reaction, as receives electrons from splitting. Option A, water. Option B, plastoquinone. Option C, plastocyanin. Option D, ferredoxin. The correct answer is A, water. Question 39. Monosaccharides have a general formula represented by. Option A, CH2ON. Option B, C water N. Option C, C2 water N. Option D, glucose N. The correct answer is A, CH2ON. Question 40. What is the percentage of water in bone cells? Option A, 70%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 99%. Option D, 60%. The correct answer is B, 20%. Question 41. When glycerol reacts with fatty acid, which type of chemical bond will form? Option A, ester bond. Option B, ether linkage. Option C, hydrogen bond. Option D, ionic bond. The correct answer is A. Ester bond. Question 42. Polysaccharides in plants are synthesized by the process of Option A. Hydrolysis. Option B. Oxidation. Option C. Condensation. Option D. Glycolysis. The correct answer is C. Condensation. Question 43. Which of the following process is involved in breakdown of protein into amino acids? Option A. Condensation. Option B. Hydrolysis. Option C. Glycolysis. Option D. Fixation. The correct answer is B. Hydrolysis. Question 44. Sarcomere is part of myofibril between Option A. Two I bands. Option B. Two A bands. Option C. Two M lines. Option D. Two Z lines. The correct answer is D. Two Z lines. Question 45. Chloroplasts are membrane-bound bodies containing Option A. Enzymes. Option B. Cisternae. Option C. Pigment. Option D. Cristae. The correct answer is C. Pigment. Question 46. Which of the following is the function of Golgi complex? Option A. Intracellular digestion. Option B. Autophagy. Option C. Autolysis. Option D. Processing of cell secretions. The correct answer is D. Processing of cell secretions. Question 47. The hydrophilic end of the phospholipid molecule is polar because of the presence of Option A. Glycerol. Option B. Amine group. Option C. Fatty acid. Option D. Phosphate group. The correct answer is D. Phosphate group. Question 48. Nissl's granules are groups of Option A. Mesosomes. Option B. Lysosomes. Option C. Ribosomes. Option D. Chromosome. The correct answer is C. Ribosomes. Question 49. Which monosaccharide will form a glucopyranose ring in solution? Option A. Fructose. Option B. Glucose. Option C. Ribose. Option D. Deoxyribose. The correct answer is B. Glucose. Question 50. The nucleus takes dice due to the presence of Option A. Chromatin. Option B. Lipid. Option C. Metal ions. Option D. Thylakoids. The correct answer is A. Chromatin. Question 51. The organelles only found at seeding stage in all seed plants are Option A. Peroxisomes. Option B. Glyoxomes. Option C. Microbodies. Option D. Vacuoles. The correct answer is B. Glyoxomes. Question 52. Posterior lobe of pituitary produce Option A. Antidiuretic hormone ADH. Option B. Thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. Option C. Adrenocorticotropic hormone ARC. Option D. Follicle stimulating hormone FSH. The correct answer is A. Antidiuretic hormone ADH. Question 53. In human myelinated fibers, nerve impulse travels at blank meters per second. Option A, 100 to 120. Option B, 130 to 150. Option C, 160 to 180. Option D, 190 to 210. The correct answer is A, 100 to 120. Question 54. One of the following is correct regarding flagella. Option A, made up of microfilaments. Option B, contains centriole. Option C, originates from basal bodies. Option D, they are immotile. The correct answer is C, originates from basal bodies. Question 55. During the non-conducting state, the neuron membrane is permeable to the efflux of Option A, K+. Option B, Na+. Option C, Ca+. Option D, Cl. The correct answer is A, K+. Question 56. Medulla oblongata is a part of Option A, forebrain. Option B, midbrain. Option C, hindbrain. Option D, hippocampus. The correct answer is C, hindbrain. Question 57. Which option is correct about endospore? Option A, has a short dormant period. Option B, contains moisture for survival. Option C, metabolically active. Option D, endures extreme condition. The correct answer is D, endures extreme condition. Question 58. Which of the following is not a bone of upper limb? Option A, humerus. Option B, ulna. Option C, femur. Option D, radius. The correct answer is C, femur. Question 59. Bacteria divide at exponential rate during which growth phase? Option A, lag. Option B, log. Option C, stationary. Option D, decline. The correct answer is B, log. Question 60. Bone-forming cells are Option A, osteoblasts. Option B, osteocytes. Option C, osteoclasts. Option D, osteons. The correct answer is A, osteoblasts. Question 61. Example of viruses having a polyhedral capsid, that is with 252 capsomeres is Option A, adenovirus. Option B, tobacco mosaic virus. Option C, influenza virus. Option D, bacteriophage. The correct answer is A, adenovirus. Question 62. The chromosomes was first observed by Option A, T. H. Morgan. Option B, Griffith. Option C, Walder. Option D, Mendel. The correct answer is C, Walder. Question 63. The complete, mature and infectious particle of virus is known as Option A, genome. Option B, capsomere. Option C, virion. Option D. Envelope. The correct answer is C. Virion. Question 64. The causative organism of measles is Option A. Poxvirus. Option B. Paporivirus. Option C. Picornovirus. Option D. Paramyxovirus. The correct answer is D. Paramyxovirus. Question 65. In the life cycle of a bacteriophage, the lysozymes are required in which of the following steps of the infection process? Option A. Genome injection. Option B. Penetration. Option C. Replication. Option D. Adsorption. The correct answer is B. Penetration. Question 66. Blank is transmitted through infected blood and hypodermic syringes. Option A. HIV. Option B. Influenza virus. Option C. Morbillivirus measles. Option D. Vibrio cholerae cholera. The correct answer is A. HIV. Question 67. In the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide reacts with RuBP to produce underscore. Option A. 3PGA. Option B. G3P. Option C. 6-carbon unstable intermediate. Option D. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. The correct answer is C. 6-carbon unstable intermediate. Question 68. Which option is correct about a chlorophyll a molecule? Option A. Chemical formula C55H7006N for mg. Option B. Porphyrin ring with nitrogen in center. Option C. Methyl group on second pyrrole ring. Option D. Aldehyde group on second pyrrole ring. The correct answer is C. Methyl group on second pyrrole ring. Question 69. Which of the following alcohol can give a iodoform reaction? Option A. Methanol. Option B. 1-butanol. Option C. 1-propanol. Option D. Ethanol. The correct answer is D. Ethanol. Question 70. Which of the following is the correct Arrhenius equation? Option A. Ka to the power minus Ea over Qt. Option B. K equals A to the power minus Ea over Rt. Option C. K equals A to the power minus Ea over cent. Option D. K equals A to the power minus Ea over Ut. The correct answer is B. K equals A to the power minus Ea over Rt. Question 71. Which of the following electronic configurations is correct for carbon? Option A. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Option B. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Option C. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Option D. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. The correct answer is C. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Question 72. Common name of 2-hydroxypropanoic acid is Option A. Tartaric acid. Option B. Lactic acid. Option C. Phthalic acid. Option D. Formic acid. The correct answer is B. Lactic acid. Question 73. In endothermic reaction, the heat content of the Option A, reactants and products is equal. Option B, reactants is more than that of products. Option C, products is more than that of reactants. Option D, reactants and products will not change. The correct answer is C, products is more than that of reactants. Question 74. Intermolecular forces between molecules of ideal gas are: Option A, strong. Option B, moderate. Option C, weak. Option D, absent. The correct answer is D, absent. Question 75. Which of the following is correct regarding phenol? Option A, phenol and water are equally acidic. Option B, phenol is less acidic than carboxylic acid. Option C, phenol is less acidic than water. Option D, phenol is less acidic than ethanol. The correct answer is B, phenol is less acidic than carboxylic acid. Question 76. The correct ideal gas equation is: Option A, QB equals nRT. Option B, PV equals nRT. Option C, GB equals nRT. Option D, YV equals nRT. The correct answer is B, PV equals nRT. Question 77. The real gases show deviation from ideal behavior at: Option A, low temperature and low pressure. Option B, high temperature and high pressure. Option C, low temperature and high pressure. Option D, high temperature and low pressure. The correct answer is C, low temperature and high pressure. Question 78. To boil water at 110 degrees Celsius, external pressure should be: Option A, 200 to 760 torr. Option B, 760 to 1200 torr. Option C, 665 to 670 torr. Option D, 660 to 700 torr. The correct answer is B, 760 to 1200 torr. Question 79. Which of the following is not basic in nature? Option A, aluminum oxide. Option B, magnesium oxide. Option C, potassium oxide. Option D, sodium oxide. The correct answer is A, aluminum oxide. Question 80. The solubility of sulfates of alkaline earth metals generally: Option A, increase down the group. Option B, decrease down the group. Option C, increase then decrease down the group. Option D, doesn't change down the group. The correct answer is B, decrease down the group. Question 81. The atomic masses of elements depend upon: Option A, atomic number. Option B, number of electrons. Option C, number of isotopes and their abundance. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, number of isotopes and their abundance. Question 82. Which one of the following do not have a tendency to form hydrogen bonding? Option A, ammonia. Option B, ethyl alcohol. Option C, carboxylic acids. Option D, hydrocarbon. The correct answer is D, hydrocarbon. Question 83. Which of the following is an example of substituent group which release electrons to benzene ring? Option A, minus Cn. Option B, minus Nr3+. Option C, minus NH2. Option D, minus nitrogen dioxide. The correct answer is C, minus NH2. Question 84. Which type of isomerism is displayed by compounds having the same structural formula but different positions of atoms on both sides of the carbon bond? Option A, chain. Option B, metamerism. Option C, geometric. Option D, tautomerism. The correct answer is C, geometric. Question 85. Which of the following is not an alloy? Option A, steel. Option B, brass. Option C, bronze. Option D, graphite. The correct answer is D, graphite. Question 86. Electronic configuration of chromium proton number 24 is: Option A, open bracket AR close bracket 3D44S2. Option B, open bracket AR close bracket 3D24S2. Option C, open bracket AR close bracket 3D54S1. Option D, open bracket AR close bracket 3D54S2. The correct answer is C, open bracket AR close bracket 3D54S1. Question 87. Which step is irrelevant concerning the balancing of redox equations by the oxidation number method? Option A, split the reaction into two half reactions. Option B, assign an oxidation number to all the atoms involved in the equation. Option C, identify the element changing oxidation number. Option D, equalize the number of electrons lost and gained. The correct answer is A, split the reaction into two half reactions. Question 88. Which of the following is not a correct feature of electrolytic cells? Option A, reduction occurs at cathode. Option B, oxidation occurs at anode. Option C, alternating current source is connected to electrodes. Option D, electrochemical reaction takes place. The correct answer is C, alternating current source is connected to electrodes. Question 89. Which of the following has a coordinate bond? Option A, sodium chloride. Option B, calcium oxide. Option C, NH3BF3. Option D, water. The correct answer is C, NH3BF3. Question 90. Which of the following is not a feature of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory? Option A, it determines the shape of molecule. Option B, pairs of electrons repel each other. Option C, it helps in understanding the interaction of medicinal drug molecules. Option D, only lone pairs participate in determining geometry of molecules. The correct answer is D, only lone pairs participate in determining geometry of molecules. Question 91. The range of projectile will be maximum if the factor sin 20 becomes: Option A, 0. Option B, 1. Option C, -1. Option D, 2. The correct answer is B, 1. Question 92. Which of the following has smallest atomic radius? Option A, Mg, Option B, S, Option C, P, Option D, Na. The correct answer is B, S. Question 93. The difference of lithium from the other alkali metals is mainly because of Option A, large radius and low charge density. Option B, small radius and low charge density. Option C, large radius and high charge density. Option D, small radius and high charge density. The correct answer is D, small radius and high charge density. Question 94. Boiling point of a liquid is a temperature at which Option A, surface tension is greater than the atmospheric pressure. Option B, viscosity is less than the atmospheric pressure. Option C, vapor pressure equals the atmospheric pressure. Option D, viscosity equals the atmospheric pressure. The correct answer is C, vapor pressure equals the atmospheric pressure. Question 95. Which of the following is not a property of transition elements? Option A, high melting points. Option B, good conductors of electricity. Option C, hard metals. Option D, ions and compounds are colorless. The correct answer is D, ions and compounds are colorless. Question 96. 1-butene and 2-butene are showing which type of isomerism? Option A, functional group. Option B, positional. Option C, metamerism. Option D, chain. The correct answer is B, positional. Question 97. Whenever the crystalline solids are broken, they do along definite planes known as Option A, cleavage planes. Option B, refractory planes. Option C, sagittal planes. Option D, coronal planes. The correct answer is A, cleavage planes. Question 98. Homocyclic organic compounds are subdivided into two types, namely Option A, alicyclic and aromatic. Option B, alkenes and alkynes. Option C, aromatic and non-aromatic. Option D, saturated and unsaturated. The correct answer is A, alicyclic and aromatic. Question 99. One of the following is not an example of amorphous solids. Option A, plastic. Option B, glass. Option C, glucose. Option D, rubber. The correct answer is C, glucose. Question 100. In graphite, the carbon atoms are arranged in which of the following structure? Option A, rhombic. Option B, hexagonal. Option C, tetragonal. Option D, trigonal. The correct answer is B, hexagonal. Question 101. The principle that states that if a stress is applied to a system at equilibrium, the system nullifies the effect of stress as far as possible is Option A, Hubbas. Option B, Le Chatelier. Option C, Balls. Option D, Charles. The correct answer is B, Le Chatelier. Question 102. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, an acyl group is introduced in benzene ring in the presence of catalyst. Option A, aluminium chloride. Option B, sulfuric acid. Option C, sunlight. Option D, vanadium pentoxide. The correct answer is A, aluminium chloride. Question 103. Identify the correct option required for the maximum yield of ammonia by Hubbas process. Option A, high pressure, low temperature, continual removal of ammonia. Option B, low pressure, low temperature, continual removal of ammonia. Option C, high pressure, high temperature, continual removal of ammonia. Option D, high pressure, low temperature, continual addition of ammonia. The correct answer is A, high pressure, low temperature, continual removal of ammonia. Question 104. The number of moles in an element is directly proportional to. Option A, mass of an element. Option B, empirical formula mass. Option C, molar mass of an element. Option D, formula mass. The correct answer is A, mass of an element. Question 105. Identify the correct ascending order of reactivity of alkyl halides. Option A, Cl, Br, I, F. Option B, F, Ci, Br, I. Option C, Br, I, F, Ci. Option D, I, F, Cl, Br. The correct answer is B, F, Ci, Br, I. Question 106. Consider the following reaction in equilibrium and tell addition of which chemical will turn the cloudy solution into clear solution by Cl3 plus water greater than Biochol plus 2 hydrochloric acid. Option A, by Cl3. Option B, water. Option C, BioCi. Option D, hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is D, hydrochloric acid. Question 107. The type and relative amount of each isotope in an element can be found by. Option A, R spectroscopy. Option B, UV spectroscopy. Option C, mass spectrometry. Option D, NMR. The correct answer is C, mass spectrometry. Question 108. Identify the correct statement related to substitution and elimination of alkyd halides. Option A, strong basis causes substitution in preference to elimination. Option B, role of leaving groups in elimination is similar to substitution. Option C, substitution is favored more than elimination by decreasing solvent polarity. Option D, decrease in temperature will favor elimination more than substitution. The correct answer is B. Role of leaving groups in elimination is similar to substitution. Question 109. Identify the correct formula to calculate the rate of reaction. Option A, change in concentration of substance over time taken for the change. Option B, time taken for the change plus change in concentration of substance. Option C, time taken for the change plus change in concentration of substance into 100. Option D. Time taken for the change in concentration of substance. The correct answer is A. Change in concentration of substance over time taken for the change. Question 110. Alkyl halides involving CX bond breakage and CNU bond formation simultaneously. Option A. SN1. Option B. SN2. Option C. E1. Option D. E2. The correct answer is B. SN2. Question 111. CnH to know is the general formula of Option A, ether. Option B, carboxylic acid. Option C, ketones. Option D, carbolic acid. The correct answer is C, option C, ketones. Question 112. Consider the hypothetical equation A plus BB greater than CC plus DD. Which of the following represents the correct rate equation? Option A. Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket B. Option B. Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket to the power A open bracket B close bracket to the power B. Option C. Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket A. Option D. Rate equals K open bracket B close bracket B. The correct answer is B. Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket to the power A open bracket B close bracket to the power B. Question 113. The blue color of Fehling solution is changed to red when warmed with an aldehyde due to the formation of which of the following? Option A. Carbon dioxide. Option B. Cuprous oxide. Option C. Silver oxide. Option D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is B. Cuprous oxide. Question 114. If a reaction rate does not change with concentration, then it is Option A. Third order. Option B. Second order. Option C. IST order. Option D. Zero order. The correct answer is D. Zero order. Question 115. The reaction of formaldehyde with HCN is Option A. Nucleophilic substitution. Option B. Nucleophilic addition. Option C. Electrophilic substitution. Option D. Free radical addition. The correct answer is B. Nucleophilic addition. Question 116. No individual atom in the sample of 1 mole of neon has a mass of 2018 AMU. Because it is Option A. Overall mass of an isobar. Option B. It is a fractional mass. Option C. It is molar mass of Ne. Option D. The average atomic mass of Ne. The correct answer is D. The average atomic mass of Ne. Question 117. The p orbital has Option A. 2 lobes. Option B. 3 lobes. Option C. 4 lobes. Option D. 5 lobes. The correct answer is A. 2 lobes. Question 118. All of the following steps are used to calculate the lattice energy in the Born-Haber cycle except Option A. Atomizing the metal. Option B. Ionizing the metal. Option C. Deionize the metal. Option D. Lonase non-metal. The correct answer is C. Deionize the metal. Question 119. The enthalpy change when 1 mole of water is formed by the reaction of acid with an alkali under standard conditions is known as. Option A. Enthalpy of formation. Option B. Enthalpy of reaction. Option C. Enthalpy of combustion. Option D. Enthalpy of neutralization. The correct answer is D. Enthalpy of neutralization. Question 120. When carboxylic acid is heated with alcohol in the presence of sulfuric acid, one of the following is formed. Option A. Amides. Option B. Acyl chloride. Option C. Esters. Option D. Acid anhydride. The correct answer is C. Esters. Question 121. The oxidation number of Mn in potassium permanganate is. Option A. 0. Option B. +1. Option C. -7. Option D. +7. The correct answer is D. +7. Question 122. Which one of the following is not an amino acid? Option A. Folic acid. Option B. Glutamic acid. Option C. Glycine. Option D. Lysine. The correct answer is A. Folic acid. Question 123. In an elastic collision, the total kinetic energy. Option A. Dissipates after collision. Option B. Increases after the collision. Option C. Reduces after the collision. Option D. Before and after collision remains the same. The correct answer is D. Before and after collision remains the same. Question 124. Which one of the following is not a feature of electric forces? Option A. They act on charges. Option B. They act on masses. Option C. They can be attractive. Option D. They can be repulsive. The correct answer is B. They act on masses. Question 125. The two-dimensional motion under constant acceleration due to gravity is called. Option A. Circular motion. Option B. Rotational motion. Option C. Projectile motion. Option D. Vibratory motion. The correct answer is C. Projectile motion. Question 126. A charge of 90 C passes through a wire for 30 seconds. Then the current in the wire will be. Option A. Option B. 0.3 A. Option C. 3 mA. Option D. 0.3 mA. The correct answer is A. Question 127. The magnitude of the current in metals is proportional to the potential difference across it as long as the temperature of the conductor is kept constant is known as. Option A. Joule's law. Option B. Gauss law. Option C. Ohm's law. Option D. Ampere's law. The correct answer is C. Ohm's law. Question 128. In a velocity time graph, the area under the graph is equal to the option A, speed of an object. Option B, velocity of an object. Option C, distance covered by object. Option D, acceleration of an object. The correct answer is C, distance covered by object. Question 129. When length of copper wire is doubled, then resistivity becomes option A, double. Option B, half. Option C, remains same. Option D, 4 times. The correct answer is C, remains same. Question 130. The resistance of semiconductor with rise in temperature. Option A, increases. Option B, decreases. Option C, remain same. Option D, infinite. The correct answer is B, decreases. Question 131. Volt into ampere is the measure of option A, current. Option B, volt. Option C, resistance. Option D, power. The correct answer is D, power. Question 132. According to Newton's law of motion, the mass of the object is a quantitative measure of its option A, weight. Option B, inertia. Option C, speed. Option D, acceleration. The correct answer is B, inertia. Question 133. The formula phi equals BA represents option A, electric flux. Option B, magnetic flux. Option C, electric flux density. Option D, gravitational flux. The correct answer is B, magnetic flux. Question 134. 1 kWh equals blank joule. Option A, 3.6 joule. Option B, 3.6 kJ. Option C, 3.6 mJ. Option D, 3.6 GJ. The correct answer is C, 3.6 mJ. Question 135. Which of the following statement is incorrect for any magnetic field lines? Option A, lines start at North Pole and ends at South Pole. Option B, lines never touch or cross each other. Option C, the lines are curved. Option D, the magnetic field is strongest when the lines are farthest. The correct answer is D, the magnetic field is strongest when the lines are farthest. Question 136. The unit of magnetic flux density is option A, WBm to the power minus 1. Option B, WBm. Option C, WBm 2. Option D, WB. The correct answer is C, WBm 2. Question 137. Which of the following is a non-conservative force? Option A, frictional force. Option B, effort plus distance. Option C, effort distance. Option D, effort plus distance. The correct answer is A, frictional force. Question 138. The induced current flow in such a direction so as to oppose the cause that produces it. The statement is Option A, Ampere's law. Option B, Faraday's law. Option C, Lenz's law. Option D, Joule's law. The correct answer is C, Lenz's law. Question 139. In an AC generator, the EMF will be maximum when factor sin omega t is equal to Option A, 0. Option B, 2. Option C, 1. Option D, 1 over 2. The correct answer is C, 1. Question 140. When a force of 1 Newton displaces its point of application by 1 meter in the direction of the force, the work done is Option A, 1 joule. Option B, 10 joule. Option C, 0 joule. Option D, 100 joule. The correct answer is A, 1 joule. Question 141. Electric generators and transformers are based on the principles of Option A, Coulomb's law. Option B, Faraday's law. Option C, Ampere's law. Option D, Hooke's law. The correct answer is B, Faraday's law. Question 142. An electric motor is used to lift the weight of 2.0 Newton through a vertical distance of 100 centimeters in 4 seconds. What is the power output of the motor? Option A, 25 watts. Option B, 0.5 watt. Option C, 0.75 watt. Option D, 1 watt. The correct answer is B, 0.5 watt. Question 143. In an ideal transformer, Option A, power input is equal to power output. Option B, power input is less than half of the power output. Option C, power input is greater than power output. Option D, power input is more than half of the power output. The correct answer is A, power input is equal to power output. Question 144. The conversion of AC into DC is called rectification and circuit is called rectifier. Which component of electronics acts as a rectifier? Option A, diode. Option B, transistor. Option C, transformer. Option D, inductor. The correct answer is A, diode. Question 145. The centripetal acceleration of an object moving along a circle of radius r with an angular speed w is given by the formula. Option A, A equals rw2. Option B, A equals rw. Option C, A equals r squared w. Option D, A equals r squared w squared. The correct answer is A, A equals rw2. Question 146. Full wave rectification is given by Option A, 1 diode connected in bridge-type arrangements. Option B, 2 diodes connected in bridge-type arrangements. Option C, 3 diodes connected in bridge-type arrangements. Option D, 4 diodes connected in a bridge-type arrangement. The correct answer is D, 4 diodes connected in a bridge-type arrangement. Question 147. A diode characteristic curve is a plot between option A, current and time. Option B, voltage and time. Option C, voltage and current. Option D, reverse voltage forward voltage. The correct answer is C, voltage and current. Question 148. An aircraft makes a turn in a horizontal circle of radius 100 m. It is traveling with a velocity of 250 m over sec. The angular velocity of the aircraft will be option A, 1.5 radians over sec. Option B, 2.5 radians over sec. Option C, 3 radians over sec. Option D, 3.5 radians over sec. The correct answer is B, 2.5 radians over sec. Question 149. The value of Planck constant is option A, 6.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 Js. Option B, 6.63 into 10 raised to the power 34 Js. Option C, 6.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 36 Js. Option D, 6.63 into 10 raised to the power 34 Js to the power minus 1. The correct answer is A, 6.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 Js. Question 150. The de Broglie wavelength associated with a particle moving at 10 raised to the power 6 meters per second and having mass 10 raised to the power minus 30 kilograms. Option A, 6.6 x 10 to 10 meters. Option B, 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 6 meters. Option C, 1.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 meters. Option D, 7.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 meters. The correct answer is A, 6.6 x 10 to 10 meters. Question 151. Light propagates through space as a wave is evident by all of the following except option A, interference. Option B, photoelectric effect. Option C, diffraction. Option D, polarization. The correct answer is B, photoelectric effect. Question 152. A particle of mass m is moving on a circular path of radius r with velocity v. Then centripetal force acting on it is F. If the velocity of particle increases by 2 times and radius of circular path increases by 4 times, then new centripetal force F will be option A, F equals to F. Option B, F equals 1 over 2 into F. Option C, F equals 4F. Option D, F equals F. The correct answer is D, F equals F. Question 153. Which series falls in ultraviolet region? Option A, Lyman. Option B, bracket. Option C, PFUND. Option D, Passion. The correct answer is A, Lyman. Question 154. The potential through which an electron should be accelerated, so that, on collision it can lift the electron in the atom from its ground state to some higher state is known as option A, ionization potential. Option B, excitation potential. Option C, string potential. Option D, acceleration potential. The correct answer is B, excitation potential. Question 155. A roller coaster is moving with 30 meters per second on a circular track of radius 30 m. The net mass of coaster plus passengers is m. The centripetal force acting on it is Option A, 900 m. Option B, 10 meters. Option C, 450 m. Option D, 30 m. The correct answer is D, 30 m. Question 156. Which of the following regarding X-rays is incorrect? Option A, have higher wavelength than visible light. Option B, they are part of electromagnetic spectrum. Option C, they are highly penetrating in soft body tissues. Option D, they are high-energy photons. The correct answer is A, have higher wavelength than visible light. Question 157. The unit of decay constant is Option A, m. Option B, s. Option C, s1. Option D, m to the power 1. The correct answer is C, s1. Question 158. Amplitude in the following figure is given as Option A, 2m. Option B, 1 over 2m. Option C, 4 meters. Option D, 1 meter. The correct answer is D, 1 meter. Question 159. An artificial radioactive element can be made by bombarding. Option A, high-energy particles on unstable elements. Option B, low-energy particles on unstable elements. Option C, high-energy particles on stable elements. Option D, low-energy particles on stable elements. The correct answer is C, high-energy particles on stable elements. Question 160. If we have n0 number of any radioactive element, then after a period of n half-lives the number of atoms left behind is Option A, 2n0. Option B, 1 over 2nn0. Option C, a half n0. Option D, 2n0. The correct answer is B, 1 over 2nn0. Question 161. Which of the following is not the somatic biological effect of radiation? Option A, skin burn. Option B, loss of hair. Option C, induction of cancer. Option D, gene mutation. The correct answer is D, gene mutation. Question 162. Which one of the following is incorrect about the nodes when the string is plucked? Option A, amplitude of vibration is 0. Option B, do not move along the string. Option C, produced at the fixed ends of strings. Option D, the distance between consecutive nodes is 1 wavelength. The correct answer is D, the distance between consecutive nodes is 1 wavelength. Question 163. In transverse waves the portion above the mean level is called Option A, wave front. Option B, wave crest. Option C, wave trough. Option D, wavelength. The correct answer is B, wave crest. Question 164. Which one of the following does not cause stationary waves? Option A, two waves of equal frequency. Option B, two waves of the same speed. Option C, two waves of unequal amplitude. Option D, two waves traveling in opposite directions. The correct answer is C, two waves of unequal amplitude. Question 165. Select the appropriate Doppler equation when source is approaching the stationary observer where f0 is the observed frequency, f is frequency of source, v is the speed of sound, v is the speed of source relative to observer. Option A, f0 equals fv plus v over v. Option B, f0 equals fv over v plus v. Option C, f0 equals fv over v minus v. Option D, f0 equals fv plus v over v minus v. The correct answer is C, f0 equals fv over v minus v. Question 166. The distance between two successive particles, which are exactly in the same state of vibration, is called. Option A, frequency. Option B, amplitude. Option C, wavelength. Option D, time period. The correct answer is C, wavelength. Question 167. During the isothermal process, the temperature. Option A, remains constant during the initial phase of the process. Option B, remains constant throughout the process. Option C, alters throughout the process. Option D, increases throughout the process. The correct answer is B, remains constant throughout the process. Question 168. What is the value of heat energy Q in an adiabatic process? Option A, 1. Option B, 0. Option C, -1. Option D, 2. The correct answer is B, 0. Question 169. The instantaneous velocity along the curved path is. Option A, along the tangent. Option B, perpendicular to the slope. Option C, parallel to the radius. Option D, anti-parallel to the radius. The correct answer is A, along the tangent. Question 170. An artificial radioactive element can be made by bombarding. Option A, neutron. Option B, electron. Option C, proton. Option D, antineutrino. The correct answer is A, neutron. Question 171. The Coulomb's law states. Option A, force between two-point charges is inversely proportional to the product of the charges and directly proportional to the square of the distance between them. Option B, force between two-point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Option C, force between two-point charges is directly proportional to the sum of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Option D, force between two-point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and to the square of the distance between them. The correct answer is B. Force between two-point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Question 172. The formula V equals W over Q0 represents. Option A, electric intensity. Option B, electric power. Option C, electric potential. Option D, electric field gradient. The correct answer is C, electric potential. Question 173. The SI unit of capacitance of a capacitor is Option A coulomb. Option B volt. Option C farad. Option D ampere. The correct answer is C farad. Question 174. Electric intensity between two oppositely charged plates in the middle region is Option A, non-uniform. Option B, uniform. Option C, cannot be predicted. Option D, variable. The correct answer is B, uniform. Question 175. Find the potential difference in moving a 2C charge, which requires 600 joule of work between 2 points. Option A, 1200 volt. Option B, 300 volt. Option C, 150 volt. Option D, 2400 volt. The correct answer is B, 300 volt. Question 176. Work done is equal to Option A, effort into distance. Option B, effort plus distance. Option C, effort minus distance. Option D, effort divided by distance. The correct answer is A, effort into distance. Question 177. Underscore words spoken in earnest will convince him. Option A, a few. Option B, the few. Option C, few. Option D, fewer. The correct answer is A, a few. Question 178. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, it was greatly good by you to proposed day's picnic at Murray. Option B, it was awfully good by you to proposed a day's picnic in Murray. Option C, it was awfully good of you to propose a day's picnic at Murray. Option D, it was very good of you to propose day's picnic in Murray. The correct answer is C. It was awfully good of you to propose a day's picnic at Murray. Question 179. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. The first space traveler was Dennis Tito from the United States. Option B. The first space traveler was Dennis Tito from the United States. Option C. The first space traveler was Dennis Tito from United States. Option D. The first space traveler was Dennis Tito from the United States. The correct answer is A. The first space traveler was Dennis Tito from the United States. Question 180. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. You have often heard of me speaking of my friend Wahid, a barrister here. Option B. You have often heard me speak of my friend Wahid, who is a barrister here. Option C. You have often heard me speak of my friend Wahid, who is a barrister here. Option D. You have often heard me speak about my friend Wahid, a barrister here. The correct answer is B. You have often heard me speak of my friend Wahid, who is a barrister here. Question 181. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. The unexamined life, said Socrates, is unfit to be lived by man. Option B, the inexamined life, said Socrates, is unfit to be lived by man. Option C, the unexamined life, said Socrates, is disfit to be lived by man. Option D, the disexamined life, said Socrates, is unfit to be lived by man. The correct answer is A, the unexamined life, said Socrates, is unfit to be lived by man. Question 182. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, Gulliver Travels was written to Swift. Option B, Gulliver Travels was written at Swift. Option C, Gulliver's Travels was written by Swift. Option D, Gulliver's Travel was written by Swift. The correct answer is C, Gulliver's Travels was written by Swift. Question 183. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, there's Mr. Hashim whom they say is the best portrait painter in the town. Option B, there's Mr. Hashim, who they say is the best portrait painter in the town. Option C, there's Mr. Hashim which they say is the portrait painter in the town. Option D, there's Mr. Hashim who they say is best portrait painter in the town. The correct answer is B, there's Mr. Hashim, who they say is the best portrait painter in the town. Question 184. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. He takes blank his father. Option A, up. Option B, down. Option C, after. Option D, in. The correct answer is C, after. Question 185. Choose the correct option according to the subject-verb agreement sentence. Option A, in 1838 Schleiden suggested that all plants were made of cells. Option B, in 1838 Schleiden suggests that all plants were made of cells. Option C, in 1838 Schleiden suggested that all plants were made of cells. Option D, in 1838 Schleiden suggested to all plants were made of cells. The correct answer is A. In 1838 Schleiden suggested that all plants were made of cells. Question 186. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, she has beauty, brains and wealth, a rare combination. Option B, she has beauty, brains and wealth, a rare combination. Option C, she has beauty, brains and wealth, a rare combination. Option D, she has beauty, brains and wealth, a rare combination. The correct answer is B, she has beauty, brains and wealth, a rare combination. Question 187. Choose the correct spellings. Option A, Pharaoh. Option B, Pharaoh. Option C, Pharaoh. Option D, Pharaoh. The correct answer is A, Pharaoh. Question 188. Choose the sentence that is punctuated correctly. Option A, he said to his disciples, watch and pray. Option B, he said to his disciples, watch and pray. Option C, he said to his disciples, watch and pray. Option D, he said to his disciples, watch and pray. The correct answer is B, he said to his disciples, watch and pray. Question 189. I him for a long time. Option A, have never known. Option B, had never knew. Option C, had never been known. Option D, would never knew. The correct answer is A, have never known. Question 190. The soup blank good. Option A, taste. Option B, tastes. Option C, is tasting. Option D, has taste. The correct answer is B, tastes. Question 191. Pick the correct option. Option A, the supervisor has nor will ever compromise. Option B, the supervisor have nor will ever compromise. Option C, the supervisor has not compromised nor will ever compromise. Option D, the supervisor has nor will ever compromised. The correct answer is C, the supervisor has not compromised nor will ever compromise. Question 192. What does the word spill mean? Option A, call. Option B, deliver. Option C, spoil. Option D, spread. The correct answer is D, spread. Question 193. What does the word ancestor mean? Option A, collection of stars. Option B, branch of astrology. Option C, forefathers. Option D, type of receptors. The correct answer is C, forefathers. Question 194. Choose the word which is closest in meaning to the underlined word. The doctor gave a lucid explanation of the procedure. Option A, confusing. Option B, clear. Option C, lengthy. Option D, technical. The correct answer is B, clear. Question 195. Read the following and choose the correct answer. P, Q and R are one-digit, non-negative numbers. P is the smallest even number. Q is the largest odd number. R is 5. Option A, P plus Q plus R equals 16. Option B, P plus Q plus R equals 12. Option C, Q plus R into P equals 30. Option D, Q plus R into P equals 8. The correct answer is A, P plus Q plus R equals 16. Question 196. The government has increased the taxes on all businesses in Pakistan. Many small businesses will have to close their operation in Pakistan. Option A, Statement I is the cause and Statement 2 is the effect. Option B, Statement 2 is the cause and Statement I is the effect. Option C, both Statements I and 2 are independent causes. Option D, both the Statement I and 2 are the effects of independent causes. The correct answer is A, Statement I is the cause and Statement 2 is the effect. Question 197. Read the passage and the following statements below. Then choose the correct option, basing your answer only on the information provided. Pakistan is rich in wildlife and culture. It is home to many sorts of wildlife, from the ibex to the Indus River dolphin, and people from most countries in the world have made their home here. Statements I, Pakistan is rich country. I, people from all nationalities of the world live in Pakistan. 3. Pakistan is home to at least one dolphin species. Option A, only 3 statement is correct. Option B, only I and 2 are correct. Option C, only I and 3 are correct. Option D, only 2 and 3 are correct. The correct answer is A, only 3 statement is correct. Question 198. Observe the pattern and select the next turn in the sequence JQ, HEO, FAME. Option A, GFN. Option B, DK. Option C, GEL. Option D, DFK. The correct answer is B, DK. Question 199. Read the following and choose the correct answer. X, Y and Z are 3 whole numbers less than 24 but greater than 11. X is the smallest prime number. Y is the largest number divisible by 3. Z is the smallest number divisible by 11. Option A, X is 13, Y is 24, Z is 11. Option B, X is 13, Y is 21, Z is 22. Option C, X is 11, Y is 21, Z is 11. Option D, X is 11, Y is 24, Z is 22. The correct answer is B, X is 13, Y is 21, Z is 22. Question 200. All hammers are tools. Some tools are useless things. All useless things are trash. Which of the following is necessarily true given only the information above? Conclusion sign. Some hammers are trash. 2. Some tools are trash. 3. All useless things are tools. Option A, I and 3. Option B, I and 2. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 2. The correct answer is D, 2. Paper complete. All 200 questions done. Great work. Comment if any answer felt unclear. Subscribe for daily practice. Share with a friend. See you in the next one.